Hi guys, welcome to my channel Edu Abroad with Bijal. A lot of you have been reaching out and asking me questions about BBA in Europe, and so here we are today. For the ones who don't know me, I am Bijal and I am a study abroad consultant and career counselor, and I help candidates get into the world's best universities and programs. If you're someone who's starting out in this journey, please make sure to subscribe to my channel because I am planning to make a lot of videos about BBA and bachelor's programs in Europe and across the world. In this video, I am going to talk about each and every parameter that can affect your BBA journey in Europe. But first, let's talk about what exactly BBA is. BBA is actually a bachelor's in business administration and it is a degree for all those students who wish to build a career in business or management. It is in fact a general management degree and helps students build a career in finance, management, marketing, HR, consulting, etc. Okay, so now since you know what BBA is, let's look into all those factors that you should consider before pursuing a BBA in Europe. And if I had to break it down, I would say there are six major reasons to pursue BBA in Europe. The first one is that BBA programs in Europe are extremely flexible. Now, the duration of a BBA program in Europe is either 3 to 4 years. And all the top BBA programs in Europe offer several electives and specializations to choose from. The second reason would be that BBA programs in Europe are less expensive. Now, BBA programs in general are expensive in nature. However, BBA in Europe is still less expensive than BBA in the US or the UK. The third reason would be professional development. Now, most top BBA programs in Europe have a very huge focus on professional development of a student. They have several things, for example, internships, work study programs, gap years, etc., that they offer to students so that they don't just study but they also focus on their professional development. The fourth reason would be international experience. Now, most programs in Europe are highly international in nature, meaning that not just the classroom is extremely diverse, but also all these programs focus a lot on double degrees, exchange programs, multi campus education, etc. The fifth reason would be high mobility. Now, in Europe, in general, the mobility is very high within the countries, right? And because of that, a lot of students who go to pursue BBA in Europe end up doing internships in different countries. So it is highly possible, let's say, if a student goes to France to pursue BBA, that the student ends up doing an internship in Germany, in Luxembourg, or any other country in Europe. Last reason would be SAT scores. Now, in Europe, most top programs do not require a SAT score as compared to the US or the UK. The selection is highly dependent on their high school grades, interviews, application profile, etc. We will get into the requirements later on in this video. But first, let's look into what are the popular regions in Europe to pursue BBA. The first one obviously has to be France, which is a very popular location to pursue education and business, and it has some very good business schools like ESSEC, EDHEC, HEC, EMLO, etc. Then we have Spain, which has IE, ESADE. Then we have Germany, which has WHU, FSFM, TUM, etc. We have Netherlands, which has Erasmus University. Next, we have Italy, which has Bocconi. And finally, we have Switzerland, which has a very good business school called St. Gallen. So these are all the popular regions where you can pursue BBA in Europe. But the real question is, what are the top 5 BBA programs in Europe? So, if I had to share it with you, I would say the top five would include these. First one would be the BBA program at ESSEC Business School. Now, I absolutely love this program because it offers hundreds of electives, is extremely flexible, and the best part is that the program offers something called an apprenticeship, which means that you can work and study at the same time, and this can actually help you sponsor a part of your education. Now, Bocconi offers a World Bachelor of Business program, and it is a very interesting program because it is offered by two other top universities. Now, this program is a joint program with USC in the US and HKUST in Hong Kong, and all the students who enroll for this program will end up going to all three continents to study and learn from. Next one would be the BBA program at IE. Now, IE is one of the top business schools in Spain and it offers a very interesting and flexible BBA program. I love the fact that it offers several concentrations from corporate innovation to sustainability management and even product management. The next one would be the BBA program at Erasmus University. This is one of those BBA programs in Europe which is only 3 years in duration and it is actually a little less expensive than all the other programs mentioned on this list. It's also quite international and top ranked. The last one would be the BBA program at WHU. Now, WHU is one of the popular business schools in Germany, and I majorly like this program because it is located at a very strategic location where getting internships and job opportunities for BBA graduates is little easier. Also, this program is very interesting, and I will definitely ask you to check it out. These are some of the programs that I really like, but honestly speaking, there are a lot of other very well designed BBA programs in Europe. Every year, a lot of my candidates end up going to top universities for BBA or other bachelor's degrees in Europe. If you're someone who's seeking help in shortlisting, applications, or anything else, feel free to book your first discovery call with me here or reach out to my team on this WhatsApp number. Next, let's look at the requirements and documents needed to get into one of these top BBA programs. The first and the foremost would obviously be your high school diploma or grades. Now, it's highly possible that when you make your application for the BBA programs, you're still in high school. In that case, you might not have your final grades, and that's completely normal. All you have to do is you have to submit your latest grades or your grades from the previous year. The second and the most important would be your application. Now, this application that you have to build will show your motivation to get into a particular BBA program. It may consist of essays, statement of purpose, motivation letter, videos for your motivation, etc. The third would be references. Now, these universities require one or two letters of recommendations from your academic tutors, mentors, or counselors. The fourth requirement may be your SAT scores, or they would ask you to give some internal tests. Once you've submitted all this documentation, the school will then call you for interviews. They may conduct anywhere from 2 to 3 interviews, and if you clear those interviews, is when you will get an admit to any of these top universities. Please note that the applications for this program will start 1 year in advance, meaning if you had to apply for the fall intake next year, which is September 2026, your applications will start this year somewhere in September. Let's talk about one of the most important factors, which is the tuition fee. Now, the tuition fee for a BBA program in Europe could be anywhere from 60 lakhs to 1 crore. Now, I am just talking about the tuition fee. There are also living expenses on top of that. Now, to live in any of these top cities where BBA programs are offered in Europe, it can cost you anywhere from 800 to 1200 euros per month. Having said that, a lot of my clients with very good profiles and good grades land a lot of scholarships, and the scholarship can range anywhere from 10% to 60% depending on the student's application. So, if you have a very good profile, definitely accommodate for scholarships as well in your budget. Next, let's talk about the competition and the acceptance rate of getting into these top BBA programs in Europe. Now, honestly speaking, getting into these top BBA programs at these top universities is very tough. Majorly because these universities are extremely selective, they have a very small cohort size. They're trying to maintain diversity, meaning they're not selecting students from just one or two countries, and they want students from across the world. And the last reason is because a lot of students from across Europe and across the world apply to these business schools. And overall, the total number of students applying is a lot more than obviously the ones who are selected. Having said that, if you make a very strong application, if you have very good grades, or if you don't have good grades, if you do the tests that they give really well, then there is a high chance that you would not just get into these top universities, but you might also crack some scholarships. Next, let's talk about the most important factor, which is jobs after graduation. A lot of you guys might have this question whether you will get a job after BBA in Europe. And my answer would be yes, but only if you do all these things right. The first one would be going to a top university. Now, universities like Bocconi, ESSEC, etc., are known across Europe and are big brand names. It is very important that if you go for a business school education, right, especially for a program like BBA, you end up going to a very big brand name because that's what's gonna really help you get jobs. The second one would be right university. Going to just a top university cannot solve all your problems. You also need to find the right fit for you based on your goals and specializations. For example, a particular university might be famous for finance, while another one would be famous for marketing, right? So it's not just going to a top university, but also the right university for you. The third one would be internships. Now, it is very important as a BBA student that you do multiple internships when you are in that foreign country. This is majorly because BBA students are very young and they don't have any experience. So, if you want jobs after graduation, you need to show some kind of experience. Generally, all those students who end up going to these top BBA programs pursue anywhere from 2 to 5 internships during those 4 years. The next one would be to participate in work study programs. Now, a lot of business schools in France, in Germany, and a few other countries in Europe offer these work study programs where students can work and study at the same time. Now, something like this can help you gain significant experience and also help you apply theory to practice. So, if you end up doing something like this, it will definitely add value to your profile, eventually helping you get a job. The next one would be learning the language. Now, everyone knows that when you go to study in Europe, you will definitely face language barriers because the local languages are different. Now, if you are a BBA student and you are going to spend 4 years in a new country, you should definitely invest time learning that language. I'm not saying that you'll have to work in that language, but definitely knowing any conversational, let's say French or German, can definitely help you get a job eventually. And the last one would be participating in double degrees and exchange programs. Now, European employers really value people who have a lot of international experience. So, let's say if you end up going to France to pursue your education, right? And if you go for a double degree option to the US or any other country, you would not just be exposed to a new economy, but you will also make a new network there. Now, employers in Europe really value these international experiences, and definitely these experiences look really good on your profile. So, if you do all these things right, you will definitely get a job in Europe after your BBA program. So, these are all the factors that you should consider before pursuing a BBA degree in Europe. One thing to keep in mind is that it's extremely important to go to a top university, and if you're seeking help to get into one of these top universities that I mentioned before, or any other such top university that you wish to get in, then feel free to book a discovery call with me and we will take it forward from there. We have sent several students to these top universities in the past few years, and we can definitely help you build a very strong application and get a scholarship. If you feel that this video was helpful, please make sure to like this video and don't forget to subscribe.